Tarleton's the land of opportunity, that's what I would say, because if there isn't one here, you have the opportunity to create your own.
I founded the Aero design team for SAE chapter, but you get to design and build, manufacture your own RC aircraft. It's a major competition. Things like that, of getting to see it realized on the computer and then actually physically get to manufacture and make it is exciting.
I can do all kinds of different things that it's not like that for every type of degree program. The opportunities that open up to you when you're an engineer are amazing. And you can be quite literally whatever you want to be.
The engineering degree tells people that you're able to learn and that you're able to focus and apply yourself and do those types of things. So you're able to be given more opportunities. And including looking 5-10 years down the road, there's going to be jobs that are created that we don't even know about or think about yet that our students are going to be able to fill because of the background they've had.
We have them constantly be doing projects which have actual real-world applicability. So the hands-on project experience that we give them here, I think prepares them to be able to know what the real world is like. Anybody who's applied for an internship has gotten one. So if you don't have one, it's usually because you haven't wanted to apply for one. Helps them see the real world applications of what they're learning in class. It gets them that experience. Most importantly, what it does is gives them these job offers before they graduate.
I would just say that I think honestly in a short amount of time, Tarleton's going to have one of the best engineering programs in the state. Not only do we have a wonderful faculty-to-student ratio, but we have wonderful resources. We have great support, donor and alumni support, and we're growing our network. So you can get that one-on-one faculty experience from the get-go. You can join organizations and building rockets, designing airplanes, drones from day one as a freshman. And then just from there, grow your experience and be able to develop these relationships. And I don't think any other program that you're going to be able to achieve that in. Either schools are too big or schools don't have enough resources. I think Tarleton's right in that perfect spot where we have both.